Okay, now let's deal with our literature reader unit 2 chapter A Gift of Chappals, which is written by Vasant Surya. He is the writer of this story. It's the part of the original book which has been extracted for us to go through and to learn the moral value. Okay, now let's see before you read section. Who are the characters of this story? Mridu is a young girl growing up in Madras, now called Chennai, with Tapi. Who was Tapi? Her grandmother, and Tatha, her grandfather. One afternoon, Tapi takes her to her aunt Rukumani's house to meet her cousins Lalli, Ravi, and Meena. So the characters of the story are Mridu, her grandmother, her aunt Rukumani, her cousins Lalli, Ravi, and Meena. Okay, and one more character is there, that is Lalli, Ravi, and Meena's grandmother. Okay, and in Tamil they call grandmother Pati. Okay, now so this is the story. What is this chappal? Okay, and why it is gifted? To whom it is gifted? Let us see in detail. A Gift of Chappals by Vasant Surya. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. So when Tapi had taken Mridu to taken her to Rukumani's house, at that time she threw open the door. Threw open the door means she opened the door very fast. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Ravi was very eager for what? God knows, but he was very eager to take Mridu inside the house. So Mridu said, wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. So where did she place her slippers? Near the pair of large black slippers. Those were grey, actually with dust. Okay, the black slippers which she saw, they were black in color and they were very big. Okay, but actually they had become grey in color. Why? Because of the dust settled on those slippers. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. So when you use a slipper for a longer time, you can see your footprints on those slippers, as in your toes can be clearly toe prints can be clearly seen. The slippers Mridu did see, they were like this. Someone else's slipper was that, and those slippers were very strange, black, and have become grey because of dust, and she could see the fingerprints or toe prints on it. So the marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. The two big toes of our feet, they were long and scrawny. See the meaning of scrawny? Scrawny means thin. That means the person whose slippers those were, he was thin, and his big long toes were also thin. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were. She didn't have time to wonder, oh, whose slippers these are, like this, to ask. Why? Because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitterberry bush. Bitterberry is a kind of a fruit. Its plant or bush was there in the backyard. So Ravi just pulled her to the backyard. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. There, what Ravi wanted to show Mridu, he wanted to show a kitten. Okay, how the kitten was kept, or where the kitten was kept. The kitten was kept in the backyard near this bitterberry bush plant. Okay, and it was kept on the football. It was not having air in it. Instead, these children, they have filled what there it is, lined with sand and sacking. They have filled sand in it so that it becomes cozy for that kitten to sit. Okay, and the kitten was sitting on that, and it was lapping up milk. Lapping means it was licking milk, drinking milk from a coconut half shell. And in what thing they have served it the milk? The coconut half shell. It served as a vessel. Okay, so it was drinking milk from it, and Ravi was very eager to show that kitten to Mridu. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing. Who said this? Meena. Meena said this to Mridu, that where did they find that kitten? Near their house gate. And because of hunger, that little creature was mewing. So she said, poor thing. And so those kids take that kitten in their house. Not inside the house, but in the backyard. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have cat. Mridu, she revealed now why those children have kept that kitten outside, not inside the house. Because their Amma says, Amma means Rukkumani. Rukkumani says that Pati, their grandfather, in Tamil they call their grandmother, by calling her Pati. So the Pati, she didn't like or she doesn't like cats and kittens and dogs and such pet animals. So she would leave immediately to their Paddu Mama's house. Here, it is their uncle's name, Paddu. She would leave his to his house if she knows that they have a cat. So we are keeping it secretly, otherwise Pati would leave. Now, people are always telling us to be kind to animals. But when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here," said Ravi. Now, it's a very big thing that, see, we elders usually we tell you that we should show our mercy, we should show our kindness to the animals. But when children, you people try to do it, okay, you try to show your kindness to the animals, we are the elder, we are the only elders, we stop you, interrupt you from doing so. Not to bring kitten, puppy in house, who will look after it, you have to take care of it, and so on. So when you try to do nice things to the animals, we elders, we stop you. So he was so frustrated. Further he says, do you know how hard it is to get a milk from the kitchen? Okay, why did he say so? He said that it is very hard thing to bring milk from kitchen to that kitten. So why he did say this? Because Pati, if she comes to know that there is a kitten in the house, she would leave the house. Okay, so children, they don't want the Pati should leave. So very secretly, in a hidden way, Ravi has to bring milk from the kitchen for this kitten. Otherwise, Pati would ask. Okay, it happened that morning. So further, what he's saying, Pati saw me with a glass of milk, okay, in my hand just now. Okay, I told her I am hungry, I am very hungry. I had to drink, I am very hungry and want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, so Pati saw me bringing milk for this kitten, and I was holding the glass of milk in my hand, and she saw me and she asked me. So I told her, see, I am very hungry, so I want to drink it. And she looked at me like this, because Ravi, he never drink milk. And that day, suddenly he was drinking milk. So Pati, she became suspicious about his action. So she looked at him like this. Okay. I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. To throw her off the scent, this is a phrase meaning misleading her so that she won't understand the real purpose. You people generally do to your elders, okay, just to mislead the elders. Oh, no, no, no. Sometimes you do something else instead of study, and you want to show your elders you are studying. And when your elders are suspicious about that action, so you try to be more serious. Oh, we are doing our homework, we are studying. As soon as the elders they go, you come to your original action. The same way, so Ravi is saying over here that I have to pretend that I am drinking milk. Otherwise, Pati would be more suspicious. Okay. After that, then she wanted the tumbler back. When I was drinking milk, she wanted the tumbler, that glass, back. So, Pati, I will wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. So here he is acting now, and he told Pati that why Pati waited, because she wanted the tumbler to clean it. Grandmas are like that, okay. So he advised, or he assured her that don't worry, I'll wash the tumbler on my own and I'll keep it back on its place. So you don't worry about it. I don't want to put you in trouble. So I told her I told her I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it before she got really suspicious. So these many things Ravi had to do very secretly, in a hidden way. He had to bring the milk, pour the milk in that coconut shell, go back, wash that tumbler and put it back on its place before Pati gets suspicious. Poor boy. What a hard thing he has to do for that kitten. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Mahendran? Who's this Mahendran? Now let us find about Mahendran in our next video. Thank you.